Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy cookies. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F, mash 2 ripe bananas, measure 2 cups of rolled oats, and line a baking sheet. Warmly, I will walk you through simple swaps, mixing techniques, and timing tips so your cookies are chewy, flavorful, and lower in sugar. I explain portion ideas, storage, and a quick variation for nut allergies with clear, easy steps anyone can follow. Start by measuring ingredients with confidence and a relaxed pace so your batter stays simple and predictable. I suggest combining 2 cups oats, 1 cup mashed banana, 1/2 cup nut or seed butter, and 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup. Stir until evenly mixed and fold in a 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips or dried fruit for texture. I'll also guide you through baking times and cooling to keep cookies soft and chewy. When baking, use consistent scoops and allow space between cookies so air circulates and edges brown evenly. Watch closely around minute 10 because natural sweet recipes can quickly shift from perfectly soft to dry. I recommend checking centers with a gentle touch and removing the tray while centers are slightly underdone since they firm up as they cool. These small habits make a big difference in texture and flavor every time you bake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.